Looking to start or upgrade your embroidery business in 2025? In this video, we'll reveal the 5 best commercial embroidery machines that offer power, precision, and reliability, from compact single-head models to dual-head industrial beasts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these machines are perfect for 3D caps, t-shirts, bags, and more. Let's dive in and find the best embroidery machine to grow your business this year. Number 5. The smartstitch S1001 is a compact yet powerful commercial embroidery machine designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals. With 10 needles and a maximum speed of 1200 stitches per minute, it delivers efficiency without sacrificing precision. The 7-inch touchscreen interface is intuitive and responsive, making navigation and design setup easy, even for first-time users. The generous 9.5 by 14.2-inch embroidery area is ideal for working on various materials including denim, leather, hats, t-shirts, and more. One standout feature is its automatic threading, color change, and thread break detection system, which significantly reduces manual work and downtime. Its self-lubrication system and quieter operation make for smoother and more reliable performance over time. Another great feature is the added laser positioning for accurate stitch placement, enhancing design consistency. smartstitch goes beyond just selling a machine. They offer strong after-sales support with training videos, manuals, online help, and a dedicated Facebook community. New users praise the helpful training, responsive tech support, and the ease of use, even with little to no prior experience. Weighing 93 pounds and made with a sturdy aluminum frame, the S1001 is built to last. It also comes with a helpful starter pack including threads, stabilizers, and bobbins, which is perfect for those just starting out. Overall, the S1001 is a smart investment for small business owners or hobbyists looking to upgrade. It offers commercial-grade features at a reasonable size and learning curve. Highly recommended for anyone serious about embroidery. Number 4. The smartstitch S1201 is a compact and efficient 12-needle commercial embroidery machine, ideal for home-based entrepreneurs or anyone looking to expand their crafting business. Weighing just 86 pounds and measuring 29 by 23 by 19 inches, this machine fits easily into smaller workspaces without sacrificing power or performance. With a generous 9.5 by 12.6-inch embroidery area and a top speed of 1200 stitches per minute, the S1201 handles everything from hats and shirts to bags and leather goods with precision. Its 7-inch LCD touchscreen makes navigating settings simple, while features like automatic color change, laser positioning, and 100 million stitch memory enhance workflow and accuracy. One of its biggest advantages is built-in Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, letting you easily import DST or DSB design files from your computer. The machine arrives with a helpful starter pack including embroidery threads, stabilizers, and bobbin threads, so you can begin stitching right away. smartstitch also provides detailed manuals, training videos, and online support with experienced technicians, plus access to an active Facebook group filled with users ready to offer advice. Users love the machine's stitch quality, included hat attachment, and strong support system. While the initial setup and training may take time, the learning curve is manageable, and once familiarized, users find the machine easy and enjoyable to use. Whether you're creating custom caps for clients or experimenting with new designs, the S1201 offers professional-grade features in a beginner-friendly package. It's an excellent value for those serious about embroidery. Number 3. The TechMirror embroidery machine stands out as a powerful, professional-grade tool for serious embroidery enthusiasts and business owners. With a generous 20 by 14-inch embroidery area and 15 needles, this machine offers exceptional versatility, perfect for hats, clothing, and complex multicolor projects. Operating at a maximum speed of 1200 stitches per minute, it delivers efficiency without compromising stitch quality. Equipped with a large 10-inch touchscreen and built-in Wi-Fi, the interface is user-friendly and modern, making file transfers and design management seamless. Despite its substantial 391-pound aluminum frame, the machine runs smoothly and quietly, built for high-volume, commercial-grade output. What sets the TechMirror apart is the comprehensive support system. New users are backed with extensive YouTube tutorials, setup guides, and access to a highly active Facebook community. Many customers praise BI's technical team for their fast, personalized help, even offering one-on-one support to troubleshoot or replace parts when needed. That level of service gives confidence to beginners and professionals alike. Real-world results are impressive. Some users report up to a 70% boost in business after integrating this machine into their workflow. The mirror handles 3D embroidery, hats, and thick materials with ease, offering the power and flexibility needed to expand production. Whether you're just entering embroidery or scaling your business, the BAI Mirror offers commercial-level performance, dependable support, and real value. If you're ready to invest in quality and capability, this machine is an excellent choice. Number 2. The smartstitch S1501 is a robust commercial embroidery machine that offers outstanding value for those starting or growing their embroidery business. With 15 needles and a spacious 14 by 20-inch embroidery area, it's designed for serious work, capable of handling 3D caps, t-shirts, denim, bags, and more. The machine's 1200 stitches per minute max speed, combined with a generous 12-inch touchscreen, makes operations smooth and efficient. Despite its industrial capability, the S1501 is beginner-friendly thanks to smartstitch's excellent customer support. Users gain access to a Facebook group and can schedule live demos, where trained professionals walk you through setup and operation. For many, the learning curve is real but manageable. One user shared how support staff offered video calls on the spot to resolve technical issues, helping transform frustration into confidence. The included starter pack is a bonus, with threads, stabilizers, and bobbins to help you begin projects right away. Features like laser positioning, automatic color change, and the 270-degree wide-angle cap system give it a competitive edge for custom hat embroidery and more. Thread tension and occasional thread breaks are common issues early on, but once adjusted, the machine performs reliably. Users love the versatility, speed, and quality of output, noting it has allowed them to handle diverse projects, from baby clothes to complex hat designs, with professional results. For those ready to invest in a capable, commercial-grade embroidery solution, the smartstitch S1501 delivers power, support, and value in one reliable package. Number 1. The FUJA FJ1502HC 2-head commercial embroidery machine is a powerhouse built for serious creators and small businesses ready to scale. Offering configurations of 12, 15, or 20 needles per head, a generous 15.7 by 19.7-inch embroidery area, and a top speed of 1200 stitches per minute, this machine delivers professional-grade results across a wide range of materials, including 3D caps, flat garments, and t-shirts. What sets this machine apart is its beginner-friendly design combined with industrial-level performance. A 10-inch touchscreen, laser positioning, automatic color change, and a 270-degree wide-angle cap system make operations efficient and precise. Even better, the intelligent control system and Wi-Fi support simplify file transfers and settings adjustments. FUJA provides excellent support both before and after purchase. Interested buyers can schedule pre-sale video calls for factory tours or live embroidery tests using their own designs. After the purchase, users receive extensive training via tutorial videos, live online assistance, and a responsive 24/7 support team. The included starter kit with threads, a t-shirt, hat, and stabilizers means you can begin embroidering immediately. Engineered with a heavy-duty steel frame, low-noise servo motors, universal voltage support, and built-in wheels, the FJ1502HC is as mobile as it is sturdy. Its efficient power use and low vibration make it ideal for long hours of operation. Whether you're an ambitious beginner or a growing embroidery business, the FUJA FJ1502HC offers versatility, precision, and support to help you succeed right out of the box.